Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to customize Windows 11. Let's start with the Start menu. Right-click on the taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings. Here you can turn off things you don't need, like widgets or chat, and keep only the icons you use often. You can also move the Start button to the left side by opening Taskbar Behaviors and selecting Left Alignment. Next, let's change the look of your desktop. Right-click on the desktop and choose Personalize. Here you can switch between light and dark mode or choose a custom color accent that changes the look of your taskbar in Windows. You can also pick from built-in themes or create your own by combining a wallpaper, color, and sound scheme. If you want a new background, click on Background in the menu. You can select a solid color, a slideshow, or a picture from your computer. For a more dynamic look, you can set Windows Spotlight so the background updates with new images each day. Now let's customize the Start menu itself. Open Settings, then Personalization, and select Start. You can choose whether to show recently added apps, most used apps, or recommended files. If you want a cleaner Start menu, turn off the recommendations. You can also pin your favorite apps to the top for quick access. For more control, go to Settings and then Accessibility. Here you can adjust text size, mouse pointer style, and system sounds. This is useful if you prefer larger text or high contrast colors. With just a few minutes of changes, you can make Windows 11 fit your style and workflow. Thanks for watching.